अनासक्त योग का ध्यान करेंगे। क्या ठीक है? तैयार हो? जिस चीज में भी आपकी आसक्ति है, आप कहोगे ओ गुरुजी हमको तो अध्यात्म में आ सकती है, हमको गीता में आ सकती है, हमें गुरु में आ सकती है, हमें सेवा में आ सकती है, सत्संग में आ सकती है। मैं कहूँगा वो सब को दर किनारे रख दो, थोड़ी देर के लिए देखो फिर क्या चमत्कार होता है ना? तो अपनी सारी आसक्तियों को उठा के एक तरफ रख दे, अनासक्त हो जाए तब ध्यान लगेगा। चलिए ध्यान करते हैं। लेट्स सिट कंफर्टेबली इजीली with our spine erect. Spine erect, body relaxed. Now we are going to synchronize our body, breath, and the movement of the eyes. Okay? Now look down. Look at your own lips. If you can look to your own lips, look at your lips or mustache, whatever you have. And from there, as you breathe in, open your eyes, and when you are taking full breath, look at your eyebrows and hold the breath. And as you breathe out, bring your eyelids down and slowly close. When you completed your breathing out, your eyes are fully closed. We'll do this 5 times. Once again, crack open your eyes and look at your lips or mustache, and slowly open your eyes. Your movement of your eyelids with the in-breath. Breathe in when you have taken full breath. Look at the sky above, sky or the space in front of you, and then go all the way to your eyebrows or the hair in your head. And hold the breath and come down as you breathe out. Notice the tiredness is waning. Once again, as you breathe out, bring your eyelids slowly down. You may find it little difficult to begin with, but you can do it. You may feel the heat in your body or some warmthness. Breathe in once again and continue. And breathe out fully. You may notice there is some strain in the eyes and the temperature of your breath is changing. One last time. Eyes closed now. Body relaxed, but the spine is erect. Become aware of the base of the spine and the top of the head. As we keep our attention on the central nadi or the central path, your body starts to relax. Body consciousness starts to melt down. Now identify all your interests. आपकी आसक्तियों को पहचाने. Keep breathing along the central string. मध्य नाड़ी जो रीढ़ की हड्डी मूलाधार से, जहाँ से शुरू होती है, रीढ़ की हड्डी मूलाधार से सिर की चोटी तक एक तंतु है ऐसे मान लीजिए, और एक स्तंभ है. उसी के सहारे आप सांस ले रहे हो, छोड़ रहे हो. You are breathing through a tiny pore right in the middle of the body. So breathe in, take your attention to the top of the head, and as you breathe out, go back to the base of the spine and the ground. Notice the temperature of the breath. Your body is still and breath is moving along the spine, along the central nerve. Mind is slowly getting settled. मन की चंचलता धीरे धीरे थम रही है. शरीर स्थिर है इस वक्त और सांस आपकी मध्य नाड़ी पर चल रही है. अपनी जो भी आसक्ति है वो उसको आप अपने दाहिने तरफ रख दे रहे हो इस वक्त. Whatever is interesting to you or matter of interest for you, you keep it on your right side and be free from it for a little while and focus just on the breath. The movement of breath from base of the spine to the top of the head and back. You may take couple of Ujjayi breath in between, the breath from the back of the throat to feel it more prominently. 2-4 बार Ujjayi breath माने सांस लेते वक्त गले के पीछे से उसको महसूस कर सकते हैं. 2-4 बार करें ताकि आपका ध्यान उसमें टिका रहेगा. cool down and slow down. शीतल हो जाए और शिथिल छोड़ दे शरीर को. शिथिल और शीतल होने दीजिए शरीर और सांस को. शरीर के कण कण से आप सांस ले रहे हो और छोड़ रहे हो. Your whole body is breathing actually. Every cell of our body is breathing. Let go of all your efforts. Next few minutes there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Let your mind expand, relax and vanish. Relax and let go all your effort. It's nothing to know and nothing to do. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे. इस वक्त ना कुछ करना है ना ही कुछ जानना है. शांति शांति शांति। With a big smile on your face, become aware of your body and surroundings. शरीर और परिषद के प्रति सजग हो जाए। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे छोड़ें। Take another deep breath in, and with a big smile, let go and relax. And you may open your eyes.